Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y28, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings, and in here we're gonna scroll all the way down once it loads it up to System, and select Reset Options and Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, and once it's done, it obviously cannot be undone, so make sure that anything listed here is not something that you want to preserve. If there is, make a copy of it to something like your computer. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and then select Erase All Data the second time, which will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about, well, a couple minutes I presume, and once it's finished we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.